Welcome back to English Evolution, Step 1. Today, we're diving into some essential phrasal verbs, like turn on, turn off, turn up, and turn down. These verbs aren't just handy, they're part of everyday conversations. Whether you're switching on a light, adjusting the volume, or turning down an offer, and with the visuals in today's lesson, learning them becomes clearer and more fun. Ready to master these dynamic duos? Let's jump in! Light, turn on, turn off. I turn on the light. I turn off the light. Fun, turn on, turn off. I turn on the fan. I turn off the fan. Television. Turn on. Turn off. I turn on the TV. I turn off the TV. Phone. Turn on. Turn off. I turn on my phone. I turn off my phone. Computer. Turn on. Shut down. I turn on my computer. I shut down my computer. Belt. Fasten. Unfasten. I fasten my belt. I unfasten my belt. Earrings. Put on. Take off. I put on my earrings. I take off my earrings. Necklace. Wear. Remove. I wear my necklace. I remove my necklace. Bag. Pack. Unpack. I pack my bag. I unpack my bag. cup, fill, empty. I fill my cup. I empty my cup. Door key. Insert. Remove. I insert the key. I remove the key. Bed. Make. Unmake it. I make my bed. I unmake my bed. Alarm clock. Set. Cancel. I set my alarm. I cancel my alarm. Towel. Hang. Remove. I hang my towel. I remove my towel. Toothbrush. Pick up. Put down. I pick up my toothbrush. I put down my toothbrush. Soap. Use. Rinse off. I use soap. I rinse off the soap. Hairbrush. Use. Set down. I use my hairbrush. I set down my hairbrush. Nail clipper. Use. Put away. I use the nail clipper. I put away the nail clipper. Mirror. Look in. Look away. I look in the mirror. I look away from the mirror. pen. Pick up. Put down. I pick up my pen. I put down my pen. Chair. Sit on. Get up. I sit on the chair. I get up from the chair. Paper. Fold. Unfold. I fold the paper. I unfold the paper. TV remote. Pick up. Put down. I pick up the remote. I put down the remote. Car. Lock. Unlock. I lock the car. I unlock the car. Bike. Ride. Park. I ride my bike. I park my bike. Keychain. Attach. Detach. I attach my keychain. I detach my keychain. Raincoat. Wear. Remove. I wear my raincoat. I remove my raincoat. Blanket. Cover. Uncover. I cover myself with a blanket. I uncover myself. Pillow. Fluff. Flatten. I fluff my pillow. I flatten my pillow. You've just unlocked the secrets to mastering phrasal verbs, like turn on, turn off, turn up, and turn down. With these tools, you'll effortlessly navigate everyday situations and sound more natural in conversations. Keep practicing with the visuals from this lesson. They're designed to make learning simple and enjoyable. Thanks for joining today, and don't forget to turn on your enthusiasm for the next lesson, where we'll continue evolving your English